Hello guys, KB Graphics here with another tutorial. Welcome again. Today we are going to learn uh, skin retouching process, how I edit my images and how I retouch my images and color grade them to become nice and stunning images. So today we have a model here, as you can see, nice image of a model, as you can see. This is the image of our model. So as you're going to start, just click Ctrl J from the layers panel, Ctrl J to create a new layer, then zoom our image. So we're going to start by removing the spots from from our model's face. So we're doing that. So let's see. Let's see. So you're going to press letter J on your keyboard as a shortcut, or come here to the tools, right click and find a spot in the brush tool here. Select, zoom on your image by clicking Ctrl and plus key on the keyboard, then reduce your brush size to remove the small blemishes using the bracket keys. Start removing the blemishes at any spot that you can see. Any spot that you can see, these are the parts you can see that they're okay. For me, I cannot do that, but each and every small blemish that you can see, I can remove them. As you can see. To me it looks okay. Zoom back, then to your layers panel, then click Ctrl J to create another layer, a smaller layer. I'm going to rename it as low frequency layer, and the other one high frequency layer. So guys, we're going to do the frequency separation, group them, and this one rename it to frequency separation. Open the bracket key, go to the low frequency layer, go to filters, blur, Gaussian blur image. For me, I usually go with 2. You can choose the number you want depending on the way you edit your photos, but for me, I always go with 2. That's okay. Go to the high frequency, go to image, apply image, and check the settings here correctly. On the layers, select the low frequency layer because you are taking the information from the low frequency to the high frequency layer. On the blending options, select subtract, scale and offset, scale 2 and offset 128, opacity and the rest leave them as they are. Don't click the invert option, please. Just leave it the way it is, then press OK. Come again into the blending options and change the high frequency layer to linear light. So we're going to start our skin retouching process. Before we start, all you need to do, select the low frequency layer, then turn off the high frequency layer. You can just see, if I zoom on the image, our image, you can see the clearness and the blurriness. So close the high frequency and select the low frequency. Select the mixer brush tool on your tools panel. Look at the options, the settings up here. Wetness 9%, load 75%, mix 90, and the flow of the brush at 100%. Smoothness 10%, depending on your preference. So you have to already zone the image, you can start retouching using the bracket key to increase and to decrease the brush size. Start retouching your image. This way, slowly. So guys, I'm going to faster the process so that the video cannot take a long time. I want this to be a short descriptive video while I retouch my images. So retouch. Skin. Feel. Just finishing up with some parts. Another thing I forgot to tell you as with retouching, don't mess up with the tattoos on her body, please. So just edit the skin, not the tattoos. Don't retouch the tattoos at all. So after that, then we zoom the image. You can see the before and after. So this is the final image. You can see where the skin is. It's the before. So if you want to see the before and after of an image, just click Alt and select before, after. Draw back, before, after, before, after, before, after. So after retouching, using your shortcut keys, just press Shift Control Alt then E on your keyboard to create a stamp visible layer of your image. After that, go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter, or use the shortcut listed in front of the Camera Raw. Shift Control A to open the Camera Raw filter. See the final results of the image. So zoom in, you can see. Oh, so this is the before, after, before, after, before, after. After that, then press the Shift Control Alt E to create another stamp visible layer. So guys, now we're going to enhance our image, the eyes and whatnot, the other parts of the body. The eye part, you can see that the model's eye is not that sharp or the whitish parts as white as you might want. So slide left, you come here to the action panels and search our eye and teeth whitening action. By just pressing it, come to the tools panel, select brush tool, make sure it's a soft round brush, general brush, soft round brush. and come at these two black and white boxes. Make sure the foreground color is white, opacity 100%, flow 50%, smoothness 10%. Then zoom out your image, go to the eyes and just brush. Just brush to the eyes of the image. Just brush on the teeth also. Just brush the image. You can see the before and after. Before, after, and here. Sorry. Before, after, or before, after. After that, Control I to go back to zoom out the image, then Shift Control Alt E again to get another stamp visible there. Now we are in the final parts of editing our image. So for me, I usually go to my actions. I have this sharpening option here. Click on that sharpening option, and you'll see that our image will be enhanced. The sharpness will be enhanced. This is the before, after. Look at the skin tone, before, after, before, after. Zoom out. Look at the eyes, before, after, before, after. So after that, I group all the layers into one by clicking Shift Control E, then Alt W to export our image. So guys, thank you for tuning in and thank you for watching.